Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Biometrics and Security. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. When you're ready, click on Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now click on this switcher at the top to enable or disable Stay on Lock Screen until Swipe feature. When you're ready, hit Done. Adjust all of those options, and now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable this login method, tap on Face Recognition, enter your screen lock, and tap on this little switcher next to Face Unlock. You can enable it the same way. In order to delete your face data completely, click on Remove Face Data at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!